Hi, my name's Tait. I'm the Associate Principal for WMG Academy Solihull. Normally, we open our doors and allow students and parents to tour around and have a look at some of the state-of-the-art technology and equipment we have in our building. Today, I'm going to give you a virtual tour. So, step this way and follow me. This is the central atrium of the WMG Academy. This is the showcase area where our employer partners, there's about 17 across the trust, get the opportunity to showcase their products which they manufacture to inspire the next generation of students who can be the creators and designers of the next century. So we've got a powertrain from Jaguar Land Rover which shows all the components and the technology and the engineering which goes into their modern products, as well as a Range Rover Velar, a top-of-the-range vehicle which hopefully will inspire the designers of the future. The central atrium holds about 300 people, and this is where our employer partners would come and give presentations to the students and particularly talk about some of those business-like projects we have which engage them into the real-world solutions of engineering problems of the future. Well, this is a WMG Academy Engineering Hall which boasts about £2 million worth of digital and high technology industrial equipment for students to familiarise themselves with the equipment you'd find in the workplace of the future. So to my left we've got a water cutter which can take water to the pressure of about 60,000 psi to be able to cut most components and most products with a smooth edge. And behind me is the 5-axis milling machine which can manufacture a 3D component with high levels of precision. And then we've got to the right the CNC machines which allow students to be able to build prototypes for some of the projects they work with our employer partners. All students at the WMG Academy spend time in the engineering hall to complement some of their classroom learning on engineering projects and product design. So I'm surrounded here by mills and lathes, and students would use equipment like mills and lathes to produce high precision components as part of their employer-led projects. A project which most students are involved in year 12 is one set by a business partner, Rolls-Royce Aerosystems, and they have to produce a component for Rolls-Royce called an actuator, which is part of the fuel pump assembly which you can find on most commercial airliners. And Rolls-Royce will come in and judge the components produced by the students and give out awards. Arup is another business partner, and it's a global civil engineering company. They set a range of projects for our students, one being to create a new hub for the HS2 terminal, and our students were involved in producing an interchange model for that huge project. Another Arup project was to produce a submerged tunnel which joined Gibraltar and Morocco. And when the students entered that regional competition, even though we'd only been open for 3 years, our students won the People's Award for the regional Arup competition. We're now above the engineering hall in an area we call Make and Do. The Make and Do area is very light and spacious, and it combines the use of computers and digital technology with some of the project-based areas to work on the assignments set by our business partners. WMG Academy is not all about engineering as a specialism, although it's our core theme. Students are able to take a range of options at Key Stage 4 and Key Stage 5. So students at Key Stage 5 might be working on product design and art and design A-level in this space, whereas at Key Stage 4, students might be working on engineering design, product design. We also offer computer science, business studies, and a modern foreign language, Spanish. Electronics and digital technologies are pivotal to the high-value, advanced manufacturing sectors of the UK. This is the electronics room in the WMG Academy. Students who use this room will probably be post-16 students following the BTEC course because many of the aspects of that course and the key components are around digital technologies, electronics, circuitry and systems and control. At GCSE and Key Stage 4 we also offer GCSE electronics, and students would come and use this facility to build circuit boards, look at advanced technologies involved in high value manufacturing and work on some of those employer-based projects. As well as our engineering focus, the WMG Academy is also a STEM academy, which means we specialise in science, technology, engineering and mathematics. And here we are, we're studying one of our 4 specialist science laboratories. And this is really where we bring the curriculum to life, where students can learn by doing, by undertaking a whole range of practical experiments and processes. At post-16, we offer a range of STEM A-levels, such as further maths, chemistry, physics and biology, and students can also take a BTEC option at post-16. At Key Stage 4 in Year 10, when students join us, all students can undertake the GCSE double science option, but for some students they prefer the single pathway and can take the dedicated subjects in GCSE in physics, chemistry and biology. The WMG Academy was built with space in mind. It was built to mirror the modern working environment. I'm stood now in one of the many breakout areas. This is an area where students come to work independently and to research using a range of digital technologies. It's also an area where teachers can use the breakout area to bring groups of students out to work on projects and to support them. It's a different way of working. One of the key words is collaboration. It's the cornerstone of this academy. I always say to parents and students, there's no us and them, there's only an us. We work differently. We work on those softer skills, what we call employment skills, group work, teamwork, problem solving, resilience. They're most important. Our employers often tell us that when students take up apprenticeships and positions in their companies, that our students are articulate, are confident, and are able to work in teams and not give up, and to have resilience. Those softer skills come from the way that we operate as an academy, our ethos, and the way we work together. A close working relationship with students and with staff.